We're building primarily ovens, proofers. We're doing conveyor systems and cooling tunnels and that type of thing.
The Henry Group has kind of vertical integration, if you will, in that we not only produce the equipment, but we also install it and service it.
We have everyone from the electrical department all the way, engineering, fabrication, and millwright.
So the quality, the end product comes out a lot better for the customer.
I mean, that's basically our biggest core strength, is that we can do whatever the customer needs. We can do turnkey jobs. We can furnish all the equipment, all the labor, and take care of the customer's needs completely, totally.
The whole deal, everything that we have been, that we are doing every day, is based on in-depth knowledge. This is a real experienced group, and to be part of that is just plain fun.
The Henry Group started off as an install group and grew into manufacturing, and that's really gives us an edge, I think, when it comes to installing and giving a whole total package.
Installing all of this equipment over the years has paid off in our own equipment. And it's set us apart from the other vendors, the other OEMs that do not have installation crews.
That's where we specialize, and we have crews out all the time installing. So we're always ready, and our guys are used to that kind of pressure, that kind of hard work, and nothing scares them.
These days, we're more like 70% manufacturing, 30% install.
It boils down to engineering. In our industry, you have to be an engineering company, and you have to be able to design unique ways of tackling problems.
As far as problem solving, my passion is the mechanical comprehension and coming up with a new challenge, and this is where I get my creative juices going. So you give me a new problem, I'll come up with a solution.
We can get very creative and work with the customer. And so ultimately, we save these customers lots of money in building expansions and things like that, getting creative.
It's straightforward science. That's really what it is. We do a good job.
Well, right now, we are currently doing 5 ovens, and every one of them are 15.5-foot wide bake chambers. So all of them are the widest oven that you have out there.
I really feel that our tunnel ovens are the best tunnel ovens.
What makes our oven the best in the industry is the temperature control we have, the fact that we have full turbulence throughout the length of the oven. With the wiping action, we can bake at lower temperatures, which end up with higher efficiency, less fuel cost.
It's the amount of airflow we put in there, the type. We control the air on top and on bottom. We bring the heat in from both sides.
When I see that kind of stuff, the product going in and product going out, and it's all perfectly baked and there's not a soul around, hey, this is what we do.
We build robust equipment. It's just kind of in our DNA. We tend to go at everything with top quality. We really don't cut corners.
We have some plants that run for as much as 90 days straight, 24/7, without shutting down the oven for any lubrication or maintenance.
So you got to have a balance between giving the very best product you can give and making it affordable.
This is a basic standard system right here, and so is this one, but they wanted it to fit in a custom area. Most suppliers would send the basic unit out, and then they rely on a group like us in the field to make it fit and build the support legs for it.
Doing it right the first time is really important to the Henry Group. The ovens we're selling today, I will probably be retired by the time they need to be taken out of commission.
I think the reputation that we have is a combination of quality of people, quality of product, and quality of we do what we tell them that we do.
If I promise something to someone, then I'm gonna follow through with it, and I believe that's just carried over through multiple projects that we've done.
The experience that we bring to the table is just years of successful projects, that we can give them quality equipment that has all the uptime that they need to make the money that they expect to make.
Our goal is to not just be an American supplier, but international. So that's where we're moving.